In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a Zap in Zapier. This is a handy skill to have because duplicating a Zap can save you time and effort when you're setting up automations that are similar to ones you've already created. Instead of recreating a Zap from scratch, you can simply duplicate an existing one and make adjustments as needed. We're going to guide you through the process step by step to ensure you understand each part of this operation thoroughly. Let's start by making sure you're logged into your Zapier account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. From here, you'll want to navigate to the section labeled Assets. This can usually be found in the main navigation menu of your account dashboard. Clicking on Assets will take you to a place where all your Zaps and integrations are neatly listed. Once you're in the Assets section, you'll notice a tab or an option called Zaps. Go ahead and click on this. This tab is essentially your vault of all the Zaps you've created. It's organized for easy access, allowing you to view, edit, or manage your Zaps effortlessly. Now, find the specific Zap you wish to duplicate. Look for 3 small dots, usually located next to the name of each Zap. This button is often referred to as the More Options menu. When you click on these 3 dots, a drop-down list will appear displaying several options related to managing your Zap. Among these options, you'll see one labeled Duplicate. Click on this, and just like that, Zapier will create a copy of your selected Zap. The duplicate will appear in your list, typically highlighted or marked as Copy of Original Zap Name, reminding you that this is a cloned version of the original. This is incredibly useful if you have a Zap that works well and you want to apply the same structure to a new task or workflow with only minor tweaks. With your new duplicate Zap created, you can now click into it and make any necessary modifications without affecting the original. Adjust triggers, actions, or any steps that need to be altered to suit your new requirements. And there you have it. Duplicating a Zap in Zapier is as straightforward as it gets. By mastering this simple process, you can streamline your workflow automation and save valuable time. Whether you're managing complex systems or just getting started, duplicating Zaps empowers you to efficiently build upon existing successful automation patterns. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other tutorials to enhance your productivity with Zapier. Remember, automation is all about making your digital life easier, and we're here to help every step of the way. Have a great day, and happy automating.